This is BR6314K, the upgrade model of 6214K, and configuring the WAN or the internet side. Open a browser, go to 192.168.1.1, admin 1234, then go to the WAN, WAN, then on this area you have to set your IP, your internet service provider. If you're using plug and play, no configuration, no username, password, select dynamic. And if you're using static with the IP address is provided by the internet service provider, you can select static. If you're using Mac, what you call this one, Smart Bro, you have to enable Mac cloning on this area. Enable Mac clone, then click clone Mac address. That's for Smart Bro in the Philippines. If you're using static, PPPoE, example of internet service provider providing a PPPoE type of connection is buy and tell. You have to input the username and password here, and double check the username and password. The best is you have to ask your internet service provider about the username and password to be sure. Then the next one is PPTP and other internet service provider. In our country, as of now, they're not providing that type of protocol or type of connection. Other country providing that type, and if you're living in other country, you have to ask your internet service provider. All data from this type of internet connection, you have to ask your internet service provider. And the other one is layer 2 tunneling protocol, another type of internet connection. You have to ask your service provider about this type of connection, about if you're using static or denied. It depends on type. And the big pan is in Australia. It's internet service provider in Australia. You have to ask the detail about your internet service provider.